That's great. The rest of the train crew, I'd like to say that it has been a pleasure having you ride with us today, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your day here at Stone Mountain Park.
I took my lock. I gave up my camera. I just took myself in the grill. I was
And a caboose there then.
just shaking from that run.
Are you ready, Billy?
Eh?
You ready to ride?